Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset your ClickUp password, step by step, from the login page all the way to creating a brand new one and getting back into your account. If this saves you some frustration, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Now let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the ClickUp login page. Once you're there, type in the email address connected to your ClickUp account and click Next. This tells ClickUp which account you're trying to access, so make sure you're using the right email, the one you originally signed up with. Now, instead of entering a password, look just below the password field for the Forgot Password link and click it. This is the step that kicks off the whole reset process. A lot of people miss this link because they're focused on the password field itself, so just look a little lower on the screen. You'll land on a short form asking for your email address one more time. Go ahead and enter it, then click Send me the link. ClickUp will immediately fire off a password reset email to that address. This is a security measure. It ensures only someone with actual access to that inbox can change the password, which keeps your account protected. Now head over to your email inbox. The message from ClickUp usually arrives within a minute or two. If you don't see it in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. It sometimes ends up there depending on your email provider. Once you spot it, open it up. Inside the email, you'll find a button that says Reset Password. Click it and it will open a secure page directly in your browser. This link is unique to your account and only valid for a limited time, so don't leave it sitting in your inbox too long before you use it. On that page, you'll be asked to enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it a second time. Choose something strong. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good call. Once you're happy with it, click Create Password and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully reset your ClickUp password and you're ready to log back in and get to work. Drop a comment below and let me know if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.